The print head cleaning function allows you to clear up clogged print head nozzle. Perform print head cleaning. If printing is faint or a specific color fails to print, even though there is enough ink. The procedure for cleaning the print head is as follows. Open the printer driver setup window. Click Cleaning on the Maintenance tab. When the print head cleaning dialog box opens, select the ink group for which cleaning is to be performed. Click Initial Check Items to display the items you need to check before performing cleaning. Execute cleaning. Make sure that the machine is on and then click Execute. Print head cleaning starts. Complete cleaning. The nozzle check dialog box opens after the confirmation message. Load paper in the machine. Load one sheet of A4 size or letter size plain paper into the front tray. Click Nozzle Check on the Maintenance tab. The nozzle check dialog box opens. Click Initial Check Items to display the items that you need to check before printing the nozzle check pattern. Print a nozzle check pattern. Make sure that the machine is on and click Print Check Pattern. Printing of the nozzle check pattern begins. Click OK when the confirmation message appears. The pattern check dialog box opens. Check the print result. Check if there are missing lines in the pattern, 1, or horizontal white streaks in the pattern, 2. A. Number of sheets printed so far. If there are missing lines in the pattern, 1. Cleaning the print head is required. B. Good. C. Bad, lines are missing. If there are horizontal white streaks in the pattern, 2. Cleaning the print head is required. D. Good. E. Bad, horizontal white streaks are present. Check the print result. When the print result is normal, click Exit. If the print result is smudged or if there are any unprinted sections, click Cleaning to clean the print head. Deep cleaning is more thorough than cleaning. Perform deep cleaning when 15 cleaning attempts do not resolve the print head problem. Click Deep Cleaning on the Maintenance tab. When the Deep Cleaning dialog box opens, select the ink group for which deep cleaning is to be performed. Click Initial Check Items to display the items you need to check before performing deep cleaning. Execute deep cleaning. Make sure that the machine is on and then click Execute. Click OK when the confirmation message appears. Print head deep cleaning starts. Complete deep cleaning. The nozzle check dialog box opens after the confirmation message. Check the results. To check whether the print quality has improved, click Print Check Pattern. To cancel the check process, click Cancel. If the problem is not resolved, turn off the power and clean the print head deeply again after 24 hours. If the problem is still not resolved, replace the fine cartridge with a new one. If the problem is still not resolved after replacing the fine cartridge, contact the service center.